Hey there, fellow travelers, Mark here with Wolters World, and today we're going to talk about my 5 favorite places to visit when I come to Italy. And there are actually more than 5 places I love to visit when I'm here, but I want to give you 5 as a tourist that you really should come visit. And number 1 is here in Rome, because whether you're seeing the Colosseum behind me, you're exploring the Roman Forum, you're going to the Vatican and seeing the Vatican museums and St. Peter's Basilica, it's the Eternal City. It's one of those places you have to see in your life because it is truly amazing. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 on our list, you do need to get to Tuscany and you need to see Florence. Now, I will warn you, Florence can be a bit overwhelming with all the tourists that are there, so I do recommend you stay in a city like Lucca and then do a day trip into Florence to see the Uffizi Museum, to go see the Accademia with David that's there, to go to the Duomo, the cathedral in Florence. It's fantastic to see. It's gorgeous, but it can be a bit overrun. That's why I recommend staying in Lucca when you're there, so you get 2 for the price of 1. Number 3 on our list is Venice. You know, you have the Grand Canal, you have Piazza San Marco with St. Mark's Basilica. You go in with a golden ceiling and just exploring all the back roads and having a Spritz Aperol while you're enjoying the city. Or actually, if you're in Venice, you have a Spritz Select, which is a little bit different than that Aperol kind. So that's one thing you want to do there. 4th place you need to go when you're here is Bari. And Bari is in the boot heel, kind of, in Puglia, in Italy. And it's, you know, down in the south. But Bari is fantastic. And the St. Nicholas Basilica, oh my goodness, you know St. Nick's, ho ho ho, jolly old St. Nick, that's where his tomb is, but the city is gorgeous. There's museums to see, there's a castle to see there, a Norman castle to visit, but what's cool is when you're in Bari, there's great day trips in there. You've got Metara, which is basically a stone city, and you'll see the homes where they dug out the caves, and people lived in the caves when they're there, and it's gorgeous. You see movies from there, Passion of the Christ, James Bond's No Time to Die. I mean, there's so many cool things that were filmed there because you really feel like you're back in history when you're there, okay? But Bari and that region there is fantastic. And the 5th place you really have to visit when you're here is Ravenna. And Ravenna, for me, is a Byzantine gem because when you go around Italy, you'll find lots of churches that are from the 1500s, 1400s. But there, the churches are from the year 500, 600, when the Byzantines were in charge. So you have these beautiful churches with beautiful mosaics in Ravenna. It is gorgeous. And what's cool is there's beaches right nearby as well, so you can get culture and some beach time. But I thought I'd give you this quick little list of my 5 favorite places to visit for tourists when they come to Italy. Obviously, for me, Vicenza has a special place in my heart for number 6, but that's because I have so many friends that live there that it's a little bit special. But those other 5 places are definitely places you should go when you're considering your first trip to Italy, or your second or your third, because they're all fantastic. So tell us, what are your favorite places to visit in Italy in the comments section below to give people other ideas for where they should go on their first trip to Italy. Bye from here in Rome.